I am going to show you a trick that I learned the hard way, okay? So this design took me quite a while to make, and I made a mistake with the apostrophe, and the design would not print. So I wanted to go back and correct it. It would not work. The reason it would not work is because I welded it originally versus united it. If you ever want to go back and make a change to your design, do not weld it. Welding it is permanent. You can never, ever, ever fix it. So look here, I'm going to undo the unite, and let's just pretend I want to click on the suitcase. I can move it around again, but if I welded it, I would not be able to do that. So always make sure that you're only uniting your designs and you're not welding them. So if you want to go back and change someone's name or change an image or a symbol, if you weld it, you cannot undo it. If you unite it, you can undo it easily. Don't make the mistake I made.